Hey guys, this is my 2008 Sequoia. Trying to fit some 35s, they're offset SSW wheels on there. And I bought some Amazon BMC plate. It's like 20 bucks, the cheapest one that I could find on Amazon. It looks pretty good. What I did was I just put this plate as far as I can on the bumper stopper right here. And then once I get right there, I just marked my line, and then when I marked my line, I just kind of eyeball it. Once I drew the line around the body mount, and then reversed it, dropped it like that, and then drew on this side, and then I used a Dremel with a cutting wheel on there. Just slowly took my time. Took about 20 minutes. You know, I just really slowed down, took my time. It's my first time cutting body mount. It's also going to be my first time welding. Not the best welder. I bought an Amazon welder. I'll show you guys in a bit. And yeah, I'm just going to basically cheap weld this. Weld like maybe 2-3 passes on each side. And I think I would call that a good investment. And we shall see if it's a good outcome. But yeah, this is Amazon plate with Amazon welder, and zero experience in welding, zero experience in cutting body mounts. Alright guys, this is my Amazon welder. Got it for 95 bucks shipped through Amazon. Best art, this thing's only weighing, this weighs about maybe 12 pounds. The helmet is slightly bigger than the welder itself. I got this for 60 bucks on Amazon as well. But yeah, check this little baby out. Never weld before. I tested out yesterday when I got it on a rotor, and I suck at it, but whatever works. Give it a shot. Never weld before. Oh, that's a fail. Alright guys, alright, got my mounting weld. Not the best, but you know, first time ever doing this, first time ever welding. I'm gonna try my first pass on the top rope. Like my first pass was kind of too long. Started melting the bushing. The weld looks okay. All right, guys. This is what my weld looks like. This side's a bitch because the left side's hard because I'm at an angle. The top side is easier. You can see see the pattern on the top side is a lot better than the one that's on the left side. Again, this is my first time welding. Not the best, but whatever works. I'll shave it down, do a little bit more finishing on the passes, and then I'll shave it down, and we'll go from there.